Greetings everybody, welcome back to 164land with another unboxing. This time we've got some car culture recently arrived from Stop Diecast. I purchased from them and they didn't just send me stuff for free. They don't even know I make these videos. We have off-road and modern classics. Which one are we going to do first? Let's see what's on top. Looks, not sure. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Now, the reason I'm buying these sealed cases is because I'm hoping that I am going to get a chase. One of those black chases there. Oh no. This is the off-road. Okay. Hot Wheels off-road. Here we go. Let's put it in front of the camera. This is the third release of the 2018 Toyota 4Runner in this really nice blue. I can't remember the actual color name. But they did a good job with it. What does it say? Let's see, 4Runner. Okay. Nice. Here's another new casting. 2005 Land Cruiser Prado. And then this is going to be awesome. And G-Class and a Range Rover Classic. So let's see what else we got. So here's the second version of that. Eesh. Looks like it's just inside the package. It's not a defect, I hope. Looks like it's just on the paint. Okay, next up is the IWC 1993 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Looks good. Good detail, front and rear. I think this comes off here. So it's a soft top. Nice. Here's the other one. Oh, here's the first of the Land Cruiser Prado. Hopefully the next one I pull is an all black one. That's a nice looking truck though. Looks good in silver. Okay. Here's that. Oh man. Ah, yeah, okay. So this is the chase version. Look, it's even got different wheels. Awesome. All right. Fantastic. Because the odds of me finding one of these in stores, slim to none. Cool. All right. Stoked. Super stoked. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Here we go. Big Air Bel Air. I love this casting. I think it looks great in this actual 56 Bel Air coloring. It's got the metal chassis. It's got excellent detailing, front and rear. This is proper. I like this one. And then lastly is going to be the Range Rover Classic. Again, in this nice gradient, red to yellow. Good detailing, like the checkerboard on the fog lights in the front there. Looks good. Like it. Okay. So once again, this is the latest, one of the latest car cultures, Hot Wheels off-road with the with the new casting, which is the 2005 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. And here they are again. One's the regular and the other's a chase. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next time.